guys, let's just be realistic sometimes. So this thing of YouTubers, umuntu who is busy dragging other YouTubers uzikhulume kabi, those things are not right. Lento ka-Owami, when is it gonna stop? It yazi ukuthi kwewathi u-Owami and uSipho and Relax movie. Kwasuka impe engakanani. Big fights. Last year, just last year, uke wathi enenguntando Mdletshe untando Mdletshe ufika ngo 100,000. I mean, guys, I'm not you. I don't have to get 200,000. You don't even know ukuthi ngifuna ukwenzani. Why ungikhulumela ngathi ngidlozi? Those are Owami's things. Owami, guys, needs to stop. And she's the same girl or the same person. Ozobe ethreatenisha abantu ukuthi uzobasuka. Kuthiwa baxabana nalo lasizwe in some event. Ne ulasizwe wamthuka wathi owamlalelake. I am going to sue you. Wait nje for my summons ke mina angazi kahle. Udume vele ngalezi. I've done so many videos ngo-Owami ukuthi uthanda kabi ukusuka abantu. Ubusy manje no-DVT. And DVT doesn't give two hoots about Owami, guys. She doesn't. It's like she doesn't care. Uyamphikisa manje ukuthi uyi-born again. Guys, mangiba born again, please don't speak like that to people or about people when it comes to their religion. Leave people alone, guys. Like, it's wrong. Leyanto that he was doing. Eyothathana ne-podcast omunye umntana. Usabhizi usabuka ama-video akhe. The fact ukuthi usabhizi ukhuluma ngo-DVT and say i-clickbait, uthanda i-clickbait. And people didn't care about her videos and the videos where all of them were clickbaity. And all the titles, when you get into the video, it's not the same as the title. Guys, lalilan kayeke umntana abantu. And uNDVT, when he stopped doing the channel, she was on, I think, 260,000. Owami is on 300,000. She's just celebrated to 300,000 just now. Just concentrate on that, guys. Sometimes it's time to concentrate. Finding it's gossip. Like now, I'm talking about her now. But I realized I actually wanted to do this video yesterday, but I was like, hey, as in, it's in me again. But I realized she continues to do that, bashing other YouTubers, and it's wrong. DVT, guys, is so over Owami, like it's not even funny. And the fact that you still speaking about her, I don't know what you guys think about this. It's been going around now. Quite a few YouTubers have done this video that I'm doing about Owami and Donsaring omunye umntwana, bashing her. She did the same with Untando last day. What's police? Into ngabe uyayenza ngiconcentrate ku 100,000 subscribers. I was just like, bruh, for someone who's on 27,000 subscribers, why would they care? We're gonna get 200,000. Untando is a hard worker. She works a lot. She works hard. She will get 200,000 someday, one day. And that whole thing, you were helping UNDVT. You actually did help her to get her where she is, as you are claiming, right? You should owe me at the time. But I mean, when you guys had a relationship in 1912, no, I helped her for a channel to be. I was coaching her. No, guys, is that something you can tell to people? It's wrong that guys. It needs to stop at some stage. It needs to and I think it backfired. Lento yakhe of talking about DVT. It backfired so badly. I mean, those things are unnecessary, guys. Like, why are you even doing those things? So some of us did this video yokukhuluma indaba ka-Owami, not ngoba sifuna ukumkhuluma kambi, no. Mina, for example, angifuna ukumkhuluma ngami. I like her work. Out of 5 people, mina vele seems right is my person when it comes to people that help me. It's okay, I can do a gossip channel, I can do news, I can do crime, I can do, seems right was my person. Not in DVT no Owami, but in the respect and umsebenzi wabo. They into kakhulu football, entertainment, gossip and all of that. They're not into crime like I do, or Senzomeyiwa and all of that. They're not into those. But guys, on social media. Well, you are doing well. I will never do that to myself. Even if I wasn't even doing well. I don't give, bro. Like, why? She went on and on. Her video was over 40 minutes, that video, if I can remember very well. Although I didn't really watch all of it. I mean, but I was just like, why you kuluma? Just leave her to be. You know, may decide ukuthi useyibona again. Those things are very personal, guys. Okokuqala, why would you wanna ukuthi ukhulume ngazo? Utshele thina ukuthi like there's a time where she was talking on a video ethi yeah, and then ke manje ke useyibona again, which I don't think is even right. Like guys, you can't decide for people. Maybe decide into ukuthi wayivela decide wavuka ekuseni wasafuna clever yini. She's tired of being a gossip. Manje she does videos. I saw a video about 2 weeks ago. Just after New Year. She's just busy with her family now. Which is nice. Lifestyle channel, the one that I have now. You must go check it actually, guys. Please. Pamela Make Wealth and Lifestyle. Like, honestly, guys, she can do whatever she wants. My ivuka ekuseni ethi angisaboni ukwenza i-gossip. Udecidile mayibona again, that's for her. And those things, for me, I take them very serious. They are very personal. Once you ukhuluma ngabantu, guys, wrong in so many ways. Like I can't even understand why she's going on like that. The fact that you're busy, manje, if you didn't care about her, my thing is that you wouldn't speak about her. That's just my thing. Why do you keep on watching her videos, guys? You even know good way clickbait in not just we must ndivuthi please vele ayesebheda ama video akho wawa and you try to revive yourself. Like really, guys? No. Can we build each other, please? Can we just as women? In fact, I'm speaking to women. Can we just build each other? I mean, I've said, guys, go to my phone of YouTube channel. Abona news color for days hasn't even paid me. But I'm pushing good to by 31st of March. I am paid. No, 3 months pay. Actually, I'm left with 2.5 months now. End of March, I mean, I know YouTube. Those are the things we should be talking about. See, how can I help you? If you are a new YouTuber, I must help you for free. I was afterwards in Kulumanga. It's in Jabumbo now. I coached her. That is why she is where she is. It was because of me. Like, she needs to come down. Because don't give me actually border like you've never even seen in your life. Oh my word. Thank you so much, guys. Over.